Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we are going to be doing another beer recipe. We're going to be doing the Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout wings. So let's get going. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our sauce. And I sort of just kind of pulled this out of my head, but we are going to start with about a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of ginger, ground ginger or minced. I used a little grater for this one. A tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of the red curry paste, 2 tablespoons of the chili garlic sauce. You can find that in the international aisle of most supermarkets. It's just in a red bottle. It just says chili garlic sauce on it. 13.5 ounce can of coconut milk. And then we put in 1 can of our Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout, about a 1/4 cup, maybe a little less of, I think there's about 3 tablespoons or so of brown sugar. And what I did is let that simmer for about 30-40 minutes until it reduced by half. And then I added about 2 heaping scoops of peanut butter. And you can use any kind of peanut butter you want. I just happen to have the natural, I guess, crunchy peanut butter. Doesn't matter. After that, just let it set up and we get a nice thick, smells incredible, sort of a Thai inspired sauce. Next step we got to do is grill up our chicken wings, and this time we are grilling. We're going to be using the slow and sear over direct heat. We're just going to be grilling these bad boys. It took about, I don't know, about an hour or so over heat, direct heat, using mesquite wood. Got a nice grill char on those. This is what we have here. And after that, it's just toss and serve. So we're gonna take our chicken wings, get a good amount of that peanut sauce in there. And you don't have to grill these. You can do these in your oven. You can deep fry them any way you like. I love doing them grill style. I love that char that you get on them, that grill flavor. It's just my favorite way of doing wings. Do them any way you want. Just serve them up nice and easy. So what I like to do is I like to just hit it with a little bit of chopped peanuts. If I had some cilantro, I'd probably put some cilantro or some green onions. Maybe even a little lemongrass would be good. But this is all I have right now. And if you want, you can always add a little bit more, like a side dipping sauce of that peanut sauce, or I don't know. I'd just eat them the way these are. I wouldn't need a dipping sauce. So let's go ahead and give these a bite. All right, so you get that grill flavor right off the bat. That peanut butter does come through. The sweetness from that coconut milk. Okay, so for that beer, the finishing part of it, you get that stout, that little bitterness from that stout. You can tell there's beer there. I can tell there's beer. But this is incredible. You guys have got to get to try. I'm going to give props to my brother-in-law, who came up with this idea. So thanks a lot. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.